guys! Today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup for Himiko Toga from Boku no Hero Academy. Did I just use both English and Japanese? That's fine, whatever, anyway. So I start with a fresh, clean, moisturized face. If you put in circle lenses, do that now. I don't, so moving right along. I'm going to take my Kat Von D primer and prime my face. Then with my Kat Von D foundation in light warm, I'm going to put that all over my face and blend it in with a blending sponge. Taking my Kat Von D concealer in light neutral, L1, just kidding, I'm going to conceal all the places you would normally conceal. I like to use a lighter shade to kind of help with the highlighting bit, and I'm blending that out with a blending sponge. Looks good. Now we're gonna set it all with my Kat Von D powder. I promise I'm not sponsored by Kat Von D, I just really like her products. If you're as pale as me, you understand. Alright, next let's contour. It's very apparent which shade I use the most of. I'm contouring under my cheekbones, I contour all the usual places, and then going in with my blush, I forgot to show it to you, but it's the Milani Baked Blush. You can get it at Walmart. I think all of their shades are vegan except for the very first shade, which I think is Dulce Pink. Moving on to highlighter, my favorite part. I'm going to take this pearly shade and run it along my cheekbones, down my nose. Look how shiny I am! Oh, I love it. Now I'm gonna bring you in closer. For eyeshadow, I'm going to start with a light brown shade as kind of a transition color. I do this for pretty much all of my eye looks. I like to stick with matte neutral shades unless I'm doing something character specific, which in this case I will be, but we'll get to that later. So I'm heavily focusing brown colors on the crease to really push that depth, blending it out on both eyelids. And sweeping some of that shadow underneath my lower lash line. Not all the way, we will be doing something else with that you'll see shortly. So taking a mixture of pinks and reds, I'm going to run that along the center of my lower lash line. I've been doing this a lot for villains. I think it looks really creepy, yet cool, and you know, under eye makeup is important. You should do it for all of your characters, I think. It adds that special something. A little pizzazz, if you will. See? Look how creepy that looks, but like a good creepy. Okay y'all, I am so bad at doing my eyeliner on camera. I tried really hard and recorded this part like 3 times and I still couldn't get it. But anyway, use your imagination here. I'm just doing a cat eye. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Next, with my Anastasia Dip Brow in blonde, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna brush them first. Just kidding. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows first. And then I'm gonna fill them in. My eyebrows are pretty thick, so I don't use a lot of eyebrow makeup. I just fill in the sparse hairs and call it good. Next, I'm gonna apply my eyelashes, but not on camera, apparently. There's one eyelash. There's 2 eyelashes. Next for my lips, I'm going to do sort of a gradient effect with a bunch of different pink and red lipsticks. I didn't focus too much on this because I'm wearing a mask with my Himiko cosplay, so I really didn't have to worry about the lips that much. My mask is made out of Warbler, foam, and some aquarium tubing. My wig is from Arda wigs. And the costume was made by myself. And there you have it. Short, sweet, and simple. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!